Today we're using our new foaming gun with GDI wash and wax. It'll stick to the car better than most competitors' products at all. I might as well apply it, there's no point in talking about it. Showing it is going to be a lot easier than demonstrating. Here we go. The GDI wash and wax has got a lot more carnauba than your other brands. It sticks to the car, as you can see. It doesn't come off just by hosing it on and you stand there for 5 seconds and falls off the car. It sticks to the car, which makes it a lot easier for you to wash your car.